Pagkasaya-saya ng buhay ko ang bigla.
We're so sad to see you go. You make real difference here. Who's going to keep us laughing now that you are leaving? Leaving? It's hard to imagine without your infectious laughter and positive spirit. You were brought to so much joy to all of us. Thank you for all the smiles and the unforgettable memories. Cassie! I hope you find all the happiness that you deserve as you start your own family with your fiancé. And to Cassie's fiancé, please take care of her. Never let her be hurt. Be patient with her. Love her with all your heart. And never give up, especially during difficult times. We love you, Cassie. I miss you. Just so you know, you can also give me a call anytime you want. I'm always ready. And help out in any way I can. Love, April Guapa.
We wish you all the best for your next journey of your life, especially in your love life. Be happy and stay positive. God bless you always, Mom Scott.
I wish you our next
Casey, God bless you on your next adventure as a stay-at-home wife. Enjoy life with your partner, and hopefully buntis na soon. Bisisihan. We'll surely miss you, especially your humor. Sigurado, hindi mas malinong na ang payables department. See you around. P.S. Take this as advice from experience. So pag-invite mo kung matulog ka. Kaya kasi sipunan ka pagkaaga.
Wala ako masok too late na itabla ko sa
Never underestimate the difference you made in the lives you touched. Enjoy the next chapter of your life. Love and divine.
Okay na lang message na tabla ko na kumain. Kurang ka sa pumili.
Pinapi din ako kan. Dear Cassie, thank you for your time. Dear Cassie, thank you for your time and bonding. You always make us happy and make us laugh in your special way. I pray that God will guide you in your new journey being a wife. Stay crazy as you are. Bembang. Bembang when? Bembang when? We will miss you. Mama na Bella. Wala na nang balang wala. Walang po yun. Good luck to your new journey. Stay sexy and beautiful. God bless. Ano naman? Ha? Ma'am Lenny? Impersonator ba? Nonchalant.
Kita mo eh.
Lewat.
Ingat kayo mga kao na koletsyon. Stay healthy and pretty. Stay strong, stay safe. Stay. Good dog.
Teka to, wala pag manok ka. Kaya ko tayo ng mga The road in your life. The road in your life. The road in your life. It's already happened. Happening? Sinusulat mo dyan.
Isulap nyo lang yan, sulap yan! Ano pag isulap mo? Ano pag inugang mo dahil?
Tiny. Oh my God. Di na tiny to achieve it. Wish you all the best in life.
I really wish you a genuine and long-lasting happiness with your BF. Hoping for your success on the next destination and path of your life. All the best and advance best wishes. P.S. Don't forget to DM me the link at Yellow Basket. Hello, Mom Cassie. I would like to thank you for your hard working and dedication in preparing all the transactions from payables to treasury so that I can have a smooth process on my partner. I will be missing your jokes and pangungulit while I'm doing my check issuance. Just to look for vouchers in Ayan.
See you. Okay. See you on Monday, Ayan. Lintik lang lang lintik.
Sandra Mondragon. Oo, ikaw ngayon ang tunay na Mondragon. Ikaw ang tunay na anak ng Kadkadya.
Chika. May sulat.
May dyan natin. Ay, mamis. Dagi, kakas. Wala na ko awayan sa office. Halong sa journey mo, wishing you nothing but the best in life has to offer. I hope He will guide you and protect you always. You deserve the love and care that you are receiving right now. Gonna miss you. I love you. So, Arya.
Thank you, Arya.
Dear Ma'am Cassie, we wish you all the best in your future endeavors. You have so much potential. Sample, di ka potential. And I know that you will continue to make a significant impact. Wherever you go, your presence will definitely be missed. Love, Ma'am Sol.
Wala si Sol? Wala. Pag-ibig Mr. Sol, magda pa sa lunes.
In your new opportunity, wishing you all the best. Mama Sonia.
Ano, sa Bob Darwin?
Kas waswasina! Kas waswasina! Kidding aside, I pray that both of you and Miguel will have a wonderful and lasting relationship. Love and be loyal to each other. Someday, when you have kids, don't curse in front of them. Di sagay pambuyaya.
Curse in the back of them.
Palawan. Sige, kumalo. Di mo pala sa
Sir Hernan. Sir
Maswaksan pa sa lunes.
Wala. Dearest Mom Charo, dearest Mom Cass, I wish all the best, Mom, as you embark on your new journey in life. May the Lord bless you and your beloved ones. Keep safe always and enjoy life. Umayo kayo at magparami. Sana all garden natitiligan.
Tapos na.
I will be in the top 10. Hindi ako affectionate. Yun nga tao. And I don't know how to express. But I appreciate that you're here today to the departure of my casting. As the trampoline says, we will be missed. Because of that, I will send Pichokoy once a year.
Kung wala nabi ang Pichokoy, ano na lang?
Ang galibad na bayis sa Balenciaga. Balenciaga. I'm rich now. So, parang madala ako Pichokoy. Si Sir Bandol ba? Diba? Pero hindi, bukas siya individual, diba? Tagtatlo kang cut. Sino ba kayo? Ano ba makainin? So, tagtuan nyo niya, tatlo ka utod ang Pichokoy. Kaya naman ang wala ko. Hindi mo nakangguan kulang ang Sara, ang tungal na kami ni Gail, ang bakba na tugal din. But thank you, I will never forget you. I will forget you all. And that's all, thank you.
Class, ipagkakalagay sa mo ng imong mga fiancé.
Pagkakuras yun. Mr. Henry sa pista. You're the reason I resigned. You gotta apologize.
Hello everybody, my name is Miguel. I'm the reason she resigned. I just wanted to say thank you for taking care of my wife. And I'm not sure if I regret marrying this one, but give it 6 months. We'll figure that out. But anyways, thank you so much for being nice to her, tolerating her. I know she's a pain in your ass.
You have no choice.
You have no choice. But thank you so much. Let's have a fun night, and thank you all for being here. And I really appreciate what you've done for her. And we'll make sure we'll make it work somehow. Thank you.
Thank you, Miguel.
Wow.
In good times, in bad times.